Onions. Chopping one finely is very easy.
Cute. This is the oldest kitchen gadget in the world. Obviously it comes from rocks. And these will be relevant in different ways throughout my future. Top that up with a bit of oil. You can smell that 20 foot away. I can knock that out every single time. And I've done that many a time. And this is really tiny, but you know, it does actually work. We put our fingers on either side, like this, and just rub it around the perimeter of the skin, like that. Fingers tucked away. Now, all you got to do is just pop it in a brown paper bag with a banana. Now, as I do this, I'm starting to cry, so I'm going to be really quick. And once you've shaped it, beautiful, finely sliced onions. There you go. Easy. So that's one way.
Just chop an onion a certain way. And that way is, if you say I just use my fingers.
There, you've got a really nice, finely chopped onion.